Recognizing patterns in a text. By the end of this video, we will have understood what organizational patterns are and how they can help you understand the text better. Every text has a specific organizational pattern. A text can be organized in different ways. For example, according to time or chronological order, where the different events are sequenced or ordered, like in a story. Analyze this example to see if you understand what we mean. For example, listing ideas of the same importance. Different ideas are listed. The order does not make a difference, like in a description of a person. Analyze this example to see if you understand what we mean. For example, sequencing. When the order of an event or procedure is described, like in a recipe. Analyze this example to see if you understand what we mean. For example, compare and contrast, where similarities and differences of two or more elements are laid out, like in an assessment of two procedures or elements. Analyze this example to see if you understand what we mean. You're going to read 4 texts with different organizational patterns. Play pause and read each text carefully. Then think which organizational pattern the text has. Check your answers with the video. Pause the video. Compare and contrast. Similarities and differences between the two fruits are explained. Pause the video. Sequencing. The process of making cookies is explained. Pause the video. Chronological and time order. A story with different events in order is told. Pause the video. Listen ideas. Reasons why the library is a good option are listed. If you identify which organizational pattern your text has, understanding will be much easier. How can you identify the different organizational patterns? Identifying connectors is a good idea. Some connectors to list similar ideas are, for example, also, apart from that, in addition, and, besides, moreover, etc. Some connectors to sequence a procedure are first, second, third, then, next, after, when, while, and finally. Some connectors to order a story chronologically are first, second, third, next, then, after, when, while, finally, and yesterday, last week, next, today, in 1987, once, one day, before, etc. Some connectors to list similar ideas are, for example, also, apart from that, in addition, and, besides, moreover, etc. Some connectors to join contrasting ideas are but, however, despite, in spite of, although, on the other hand, one negative aspect. Remember, if you identify which organizational pattern your text has, understanding will be much easier.